This is a Eufy security doorbell 2K resolution, and this is a release pin. So there's a hole right there, right there to push it in to uninstall it, and tilt it this way first and then push it up to uninstall. Pull it out this way and then slice it up. So install is the reverse. Press really hard on the bottom and snap it in, but tilt at an angle 45 to 180 degrees. Slice down first and then push it really hard at the bottom part. Push out with